with our culture is through our clothing, right? I think we just wear it with pride and confidence. Just embody the Filipino spirit.
Yes, thank you for joining us today. Hello mga Dabber guys! Congratulations!
Abir! How are you, Andreas? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for having me again. Hello mga Dabber guys!
May balita ka ba sa mga Dabber guys natin layo sa mga fans ng Angulian Section?
Yes, guys, catch me and Ashton Oviga and Robin Angeles and all the other boys ang Angulian Section E in this fun and kilig rom-com series. Starting May 19 from Monday to Friday, 6:45 p.m. sa TV5 Primetime Synchro.
Thank you.